Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Becexy Pre-Qualification code. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. You can as well join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value content. And if you have not qualified for the pre-qualification, this is the strategy to get this and get qualified. The strategy here is you must be on the app at least 20 minutes before they release that video. And once you log into the website, then minimize, then go to their YouTube, that is Becexy channel, and wait for the code. Once you get the code, rush back to your website and paste it. Automatically you're going to get the code. The code here is 58360. That is today's code, and a lot of people got the code correctly. All you have to do is just to make sure that you are on the website or on the Becexy channel before the code drops, and you are going to get it right. And if you want to get this code, do well to join our WhatsApp group. We are always dropping the daily code every day. If you join our WhatsApp group, I assure you that you are going to get the code at the right time. The only thing that you need is that you must be online early. If you're online early, you are going to get it. And once they drop the code and you did not meet up before the code is depleted, what you have to do is you need to go to you need to look for the old codes. I'm also going to attach the old codes here in the video description. Use the old code, try them. That 1 hour 2 hours after the code for the day, they used to add extra slot to the old code. So if you try like 20, if there are 20 codes already, if you try like 10 or 20 of them within that time that the new code was dropped, we are going to get it correctly, definitely, because they themselves have said it clearly that they add extra codes to the old code. So if you do this, you are going to get it right. So this is the code 58360. Use it and qualify. My Becexy portal is pending verification still now. Yes, it's pending verification till after they completed the 1 million participants. That is when all the pending will be verified. So Becexy TG, please, code depleted in 1 minute. Una dey whine. So that is it. You have to be there before they drop the code so that you can be among the people that will get it. Finally, it is time. So all these things are reply from the community to show you that people are actually getting, and some are not yet getting. But if you have not gotten the code, just do this thing that I said and you get it right. So these are the old codes. This is our WhatsApp group. These are the old codes. I'm going to attach it in the video description. What you have to do is just use any of them. Keep using until you get the one that will work for you. If you try the new code and it did not work, go and use these old ones. Try them and definitely one might work for you. I believe you got value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.